Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through using indexes and aliases to create visualizations in Seamcor. Let's get started. In Seamcor, data is stored and managed using indexes and aliases through OpenSearch. Every time you create an item or complete a task, OpenSearch saves that data in an index. To make accessing this data easier, Seamcor uses aliases, which act as virtual index names. Aliases provide a readable and user-friendly way to reference specific indexes. To view index patterns and the data they reference in OpenSearch, simply navigate to Dashboard in Seamcor. Then, navigate to Dashboards Management. Then, select Index Patterns. Here, you'll find a list of all index patterns related to tasks and menu items in Seamcor. You can access all data related to a task or item for reporting purposes by selecting the relevant index pattern. We selected this index pattern as an example to demonstrate how it works and how you can use it to access relevant data. Clicking on an index takes you to its aliases, where alias numbers serve as virtual names, making it easier to reference unique column IDs. To find alias numbers, you can navigate to a relevant task or entity data table. In this example, we will use a task. Click Setup on the task you want to use for generating reports. Here, you'll find the master alias number, which identifies all records in the task or item. Related alias numbers start with this master number, followed by unique IDs for each record. We'll use the master alias number and date received alias number to demonstrate how it works. To view the index patterns for this task and task check, simply return to Dashboards Management and click on Index Patterns. Here, we entered a keyword to locate the task index pattern. Once found, click on the index pattern to proceed. You'll find the aliases you need closer to the middle or end of the alias list. To use these index patterns and alias numbers to create visualizations, navigate to the Visualize tab in Dashboards. Click on Create Visualization. To show a simple example, let's select Data Table as our visualization type. Choose your source, the index pattern you would like to use. In this case, we are using the fruit batch intake task. Next, we set up the data table by adding split rows to define how the data should be grouped and displayed. We then added the alias we want to use, date received, 9, under buckets to organize the data accordingly. And there you have it. You have successfully navigated indexes and aliases to create a visualization report in Seamcor. If you would like to learn more about how to set up reports in Seamcor, watch our other videos. Thank you for watching. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and contact us.